Hi, this is Wolves Inferno again with another mask review. Here we have Jackhammer. It's one Venom vehicle from 1985, driven by Cliff Dagger. I think it's actually Ford Bronco. It's got the it's got Goodyear on the tires there, lights, very nice chrome on the wheels. Wheels as well. Nice chrome in the front there as well. And we have Cliff Dagger. He's usually quite a dummy. I'll have to just take his mask off there now. There he is there, you can see his patch eye and all. He just comes with the torch mask. Yeah, he's quite a klutz, and he's probably one of the most dumbest characters in the whole M.A.S.K series, and he usually says things like torch on, or hey Mayhem, what do you want to do about this? He's quite muscular as well. Actually, he's actually quite a short figure. If you take the bed of Rushmore here, you can actually see that he's actually a little bit shorter. But yeah, he's quite good actually. He's well detailed. He's got some kind of gun here on his thing, on his t-shirt. So that's Cliff Dagger, and the Jackhammer. It's very nice. Got some nice detailing there on the interior. And to transform it, you punch this up, and mine seems to be a bit stiff there. And that comes down. And it's got the Venom symbol there, and the little guns there right at the front. It's actually mine's a little bit stiff actually. Oh, there we are. I think one of the guns of mine is they're broken, but it doesn't entirely bother me. I've got this nice sticker here, and then the back comes up like that, and you pull out the seat. That's also a little gun here, and that's actually concealed in there like that. Just sits in there like that, and you take that out. You can actually it just slots into here, into this turret. That turns around 360 degrees, and then you can have Cliff Dagger sitting up there. And this turns 360 degrees, but the only thing is that it probably could scrape off the roof there, which is, eventually. But that's it transformed. It's quite nice transformed. There's a few little details there now in the driver's side, but it's a very nice vehicle and well made. Just put Cliff Dagger there at the side. There isn't really a whole lot to talk about though. It's got leaf springs here, which is unusual. There's not really much else really. Very well made as well. I just push this down. I think if there we are. Just push that down like that. Take off the gun. Put it away in there. That just slots into there. So overall, it's It's a very iconic vehicle, and of course it's driven by the Trucks of Vernon. But he's a cool character. He doesn't sit in that well now. The Jackhammer. He's kind of his back isn't quite at the edge of the seat, because he's a very short character. But yeah, it's a very nice toy. So I hope you enjoyed that. That's what was fair enough signing out.